How many dead tickets are sitting in your Zendesk queue right now? 50, 100, maybe more? Every single one is silently wrecking your response time metrics and making your backlog look way worse than it actually is. Let's fix that today. Stale tickets don't just take up space, they inflate your backlog numbers, skew your SLA data, and pull your agents away from customers who actually need help. The longer you ignore them, the worse your metrics get. Before we dive in, here's what you need. Zendesk admin access on any suite plan, a basic understanding of ticket statuses, and optionally a Python setup or an eesel AI account depending on which method you choose. The first method uses Zendesk's built-in automation rules. You'll create 3 separate automations that work together using tags to build a multi-step reminder workflow before closing any ticket. Start by creating an automation that fires after 48 hours of no response. It sends the customer a friendly follow-up email and tags the ticket so the reminder only goes out once. That tag is what prevents duplicate notifications. If the ticket stays pending for 5 days, a second automation kicks in. It checks for that first reminder tag, then sends a last chance message letting the customer know you'll close the ticket soon if they don't respond. After 7 full days with no reply, the third automation marks the ticket as solved. Zendesk then automatically closes solved tickets after 28 days, so your queue stays clean without any manual effort. Here's the full picture: 48 hours for a gentle nudge, 5 days for a final warning, and 7 days for auto-solve. 3 checkpoints that give your customers every chance to respond while keeping your queue under control. Sometimes you need to wipe out hundreds of stale tickets at once, maybe during a backlog cleanup or migration. A simple Python script using the Zendesk API can query old tickets, solve them in bulk, and leave a public comment explaining the closure. Native automations run on timers alone, but eesel AI actually reads your conversations. It can tell the difference between a customer who said, "I'll get back to you," and one who simply vanished, then sends personalized follow-ups instead of generic templates. The biggest fear with automation is closing the wrong tickets. With eesel AI's simulation mode, you can test against thousands of your historical tickets before anything goes live. You get real data, zero risk to actual customers. So which approach fits your team? Native automations are great for straightforward time-based rules. The API handles big one-time cleanups. And eesel AI adds intelligence beyond timers, starting at just $299 a month with no per-seat charges. Ready to stop letting stale tickets drag down your metrics? Connect your Zendesk account to eesel AI and start your free 7-day trial. No credit card required, just a cleaner queue and sharper data from day one.